waking up to hills, fresh air and absolutely silent. ये वेकेशन नहीं आपका घर हो सकता है. This is something truly different. House of Abhinandan Lodha presents you codename Celebration Land. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be revealing the teaser of codename Celebration Land, which is located in Neral, foothills of Mathiran. And in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, sizes, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. अनलाइक करंट लिस्टिंग प्लेटफॉर्म जहां अगर आप एक इंक्वायरी भी कर लेते हो तो आपका कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर शेयर हो जाता है मल्टीपल ब्रोकर्स के साथ, अल्टीमेटली रिजल्टिंग इन टू मेनी फोन कॉल. बट हाउसी में ऐसा नहीं होता क्योंकि हाउसी में आपको कनेक्ट किया जाता है सीधे डेवलपर्स के साथ, क्योंकि यहाँ लिस्टिंग ब्रोकर्स नहीं बिल्डर्स करते हैं. तो फिर यहाँ वहाँ जाना छोड़िए एंड बुक योर ड्रीम होम डायरेक्टली विद बिल्डर्स ऑन हाउसी. Now let's start with the project overview. And codename Celebration Land is a new villa plot development which is spread across 104 acre of land parcel. Now let's discuss about the location part, and this project is located in Pimploli, Neral, just beside Bhima Shankar Wildlife Sanctuary Park, and where you can connect to Neral Junction in just 12 minutes, 15 minutes away from Mathiran Hill Station, 15 minutes from Neral Railway Station, 70 minutes from Navi Mumbai International Airport, and 90 minutes to Mumbai. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and House of Abhinandan Lodha offers you 40 plus world class amenities like of a grand clubhouse, rock climbing, jacuzzi, landscape garden, infinity pool, organic farm, amphitheater and many more. Now let's discuss about the plot sizes, and here plots are available in different dimensions starting from 1507 square feet in the name of Gala, 2260 square feet in the name of Vista. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and currently our project is in pre-launch stage. So we are open with the EOI, that is expression of interest. Our interested clients can come and visit our site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the actual location as well. Or else clients can also do the virtual tour of our site via Google and Zoom Meet. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the token of 99,000 only, that is expression of interest. And the best part, we are open with flexible payment plan. The possession of the project will be handed over by December 2026, that is by the end of this year. So everyone, this was a teaser of codename Celebration Land by House of Abhinandan Lodha, located in Neral. If you are looking for more details of this project, you can click on the link below to download e-brochure.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.